What's going on with the world, you feel me? OHSOLYFE. Back with another banger, you feel me? I ain't even about to lie. Y'all know me as a talker to the motherfucking fullest. So, you feel me? I ain't even about to lie. It's fire. This is fire. Not gonna lie. It's a 2-in-1, you feel me? You got an actual bomb piece. You got the banger to it. Bruh. You got shit for your dabs. You feel me? Which I ain't even about to lie. They fire as fuck. Like, they fire as hell. Then, you know, I got the granddaddy. You feel me? I got the granddaddy pipe on the folk. But, bruh, in this video, I'm about to attempt not to cough. On the weed side, you feel me? On the tweed side, on the tree side, you feel me? So, let's get to this motherfucking video. You feel me? Shit. I'm back. That was a long one. Woo. Woo. Shit. I'm about to go, man. Attempt number 2. Fuck y'all talking about. Cause I ain't no pussy. Oh, gee. Fuck y'all talking about. Woo.